casual sweater, and now it's a smoking hot dress.
Wow.
Isn't
Dang.
this fantastic?
That's unbelievable.
That is hot.
That's amazing.
And this is not rocket science. It's such an easy thing for anyone to do with one of their favorite turtlenecks and transition it into evening or a different season.
Super cute.
Taking,
that's so cute with
it's
the
so
cable
cute,
knit
and it
and
was just so easy to do, right?
It was.
We basically take the sweater, we pull it down,
Check it out.
sleeves, arms out.
Oh my God, this is so flash dance.
Isn't it fantastic? Pull it
Flash
over.
dance flashback. Totally.
Use the turtleneck to be the kind of bandeau.
Oh, and then
Oh,
you cinch the waist.
Exactly. Cinch the waist.
Adorable.
So we've got this fantastic strapless dress, simply
Adorable.
turned round, and we just
And it looks
tie
good coming and going. And I love those mules. Those
And
are
the
great
mules
shoes.
with it really add a different pop.
Really sweet.
Such a great look to
All
wear
right,
today.
so let's take a look at Hannah. She has a casual top too that you worked with.
Yeah, so we did, you know.
Another thing, kind of a comfy sweater.
Yeah, you know, like it's our
Oversized
weekend wear
sweater.
that you and I wear all the time. So it's a big, boxy, oversized crew neck. That's
Gotcha.
really all I'm using. So I want to show you guys, great minds think similarly. I'm hoping you like this one. Come on out, Hannah. Keep looking over there. She's over there.
Oh, you guys.
Yeah, I mean, it's amazing, though, because we kind
You
of
really
vibe
did do the same thing.
And-
Frontsy.
Right.
You did the same thing, but you put the tie
in the
different-
front. And
Right.
I love it. This is so bodycon and cool. And this is really just about kind of doing, you know, more of a loose, you know, all of the trends on runway where you see everybody tying the athletic look around the waist.
They actually sell a lot of dresses at every price point with fake
Arms.
Fake arms.
Fake
All
arms
the
on
time.
the front.
Yep.
Yeah. It's
Fake
a
arms, skirts and dresses.
So you can see we have just a simple oversized sweater. Now she's actually taking it
She's
and
doing the
putting
same
it right
thing, same
around as a
trick.
bandeau. But this version
Oh, look at
online
that.
shows it with straps. I showed you
I
guys the
see.
wrap easy,
I
but all
see.
you do is put the arms crisscross them here,
Cute.
Rachel, pull them here, and I add a pin onto the underneath. A little bra, a little pin.
So cute.